If you live in Taylor, you know how vibrant and active the community can be. From passing traffic and neighborhood activity to nearby construction and barking dogs, outside noise can easily make its way into your home. While some sounds are part of everyday life, too much noise can disrupt your sleep, concentration, and overall comfort. That's where Replacement Windows Taylor Homeowners Trust can make a real difference. Upgrading your windows is not just about improving appearance or energy efficiency. Modern replacement windows Taylor residents install today are specifically designed to reduce outside noise and create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Why outside noise gets into your home? Many homes in Taylor still have older windows with single-pane glass or worn-out seals. Over time, frames can warp, weather stripping can crack, and small gaps can form around the edges. These tiny openings allow sound waves to travel easily from outside to inside. Single-pane windows are especially poor at blocking noise. With only one thin layer of glass between you and the outdoors, there is very little resistance to sound. Even double-pane windows that are decades old may not provide adequate sound insulation if the seals have failed or the glass technology is outdated. If you notice that you can clearly hear cars driving by, conversations from the sidewalk, or lawn equipment in nearby yards, your windows could be part of the problem. How modern replacement windows reduce noise? Today's replacement windows Taylor homeowners choose are built with advanced technology that significantly reduces sound transmission. Here's how they help. Double and triple pane glass. Modern windows use 2 or even 3 layers of glass instead of just 1. The extra panes create barriers that sound waves must pass through, reducing the amount of noise that enters your home. Between these panes is a sealed space often filled with insulating gas. This space doesn't just improve energy efficiency, it also helps dampen vibrations caused by sound waves. Laminated glass options. Some replacement windows Taylor providers offer laminated glass. This type of glass includes a special inner layer that acts as a sound dampening barrier. Laminated glass is particularly effective at reducing high traffic noise and sudden loud sounds. For homes located near busy roads, schools, or commercial areas, laminated glass can make a noticeable difference in daily comfort. Improved seals and weather stripping. A key reason older windows allow noise in is poor sealing. Modern replacement windows Taylor homeowners install today come with advanced sealing systems. Tight-fitting frames and durable weather stripping block not only drafts but also sound leaks. By eliminating gaps around the window frame, these windows reduce the pathways that sound uses to enter your home. Thicker glass and better frame materials. Newer windows often use thicker glass and high-quality frame materials such as vinyl or composite. These materials help absorb and block sound more effectively than older aluminum frames or thin glass panels. The overall construction of modern replacement windows Taylor residents choose is designed with performance in mind, including sound control. Benefits beyond a quieter home. Reducing outside noise does more than make your home peaceful. It improves your quality of life in several ways. Better sleep. A quieter bedroom can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Improved focus. Whether you work from home or your children are studying, less noise means fewer distractions. Greater privacy. Sound reduction works both ways, helping keep conversations inside your home more private. Increased home value. Updated windows are an attractive feature for future buyers. Many homeowners are surprised by how dramatic the difference can be after installing high-quality replacement windows Taylor professionals recommend. Is it time to upgrade? If outside noise regularly disrupts your day, it may be time to consider new windows. Signs that your current windows are not performing well include drafts, difficulty opening or closing them, condensation between panes, and noticeable street noise. Investing in replacement windows Taylor homeowners rely on can transform your home into a calmer, more comfortable space. Instead of hearing every passing car or lawnmower, you can enjoy quiet mornings, peaceful evenings, and a more relaxing environment overall. Your home should be your sanctuary. With the right replacement windows, you can reduce outside noise and create the quiet retreat you deserve right here in Taylor.